Here we have a steak and we have the potato salad. This is a steak. And this one is potato salad. Eventually, we're going to put it into a bowl and into the fridge. Hey everyone, here we're going to go ahead and start the steak. In front of you, we have the different seasoning. We have the adobo, the McCormick chipotle roasted garlic, the McCormick steaks seasoning, onion pepper, garlic powder. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get that piece apart here. You guys don't want to go in together, so why not? Go ahead and put it down the side that already has the seasoning on there. Just making room for the next one. And one last piece we're gonna put in the corner over here. Okay, so we put it with the side with the seasoning down first. One of the main reasons we went ahead and did that is because a lot of times I see people season things and then they turn it over and then it's left on a plate wherever they have it on, and it's not actually on the particular meat that it might be making. So that's why you want to put it with the side down and get it done in that way. Okay, so you get it again, it's still on the one side, and we're going to take and turn it over at this point. So a nice color in there. I'm going to take and I'm going to turn the next one. All this liquid is actually from the steak itself, so we didn't have no water to it as it. But we're going to add some because that's not enough to get some sauce going in there. If you want your steak to be tender, use garlic, whether it be garlic powder or regular chopped up garlic. The thing is, a lot of times when you're doing this, people tend to want to put it in the fridge, let it marinate for a little while. That can work if that's what you're into. But you also want to get a nice flavor and get it to a point where it's a nice consistency. This right here is all the sodium and the salt that we put in to make the potato salad. We have the different potatoes here. Idaho potato. Of course, we have the eggs in there. All this white stuff here. That's the sodium in there because we added some adobo. If your preference is just regular salt, you can do that too. There's various different salt you can do. So we're going to give that a few minutes for each item to cook down. As far as the one with the potatoes, leave it on for about approximately 15 minutes, 20 minutes now. As far as the steaks, we want to give it a good 5 or 6 minutes before we actually start adding other things like the sauce and probably some marinated sauce, and let it cook down a little bit. As far as the temperature, we have it at a regular temperature between 4 and 5, which is like medium, because you don't want to have it too low and then you simmer in there all night trying to get it done. So what we have here is the steak, and over here we have the items to go ahead and make the potato salad. Okay, so here we have some of the items we put in with the steak after it actually calls for the water and for some type of sauce it actually soak into the steak itself. We have that in a low heat. Of course, we already did the potatoes, did the potato salad, and here are the other items we added with the steak. We have the Kraft smoked barbecue sauce, the Jack Daniel. We have some onion powder here, brown seasoning sauce, and minced garlic, and of course the Worcestershire sauce. Really great combination when you're doing it. And over here we have the eggs. Of course, we did a little crack. Then we put in cold water. Before we can actually go ahead and get the potato salad started, you want to go ahead and do some onions and bell peppers so you can actually put inside. And then you basically add your mayonnaise, you mix it up, and you chill it in the fridge, and then you're done. As far as the steak goes, we're going to turn up the fire some because the steak is practically already cooked. It's just to get the sauce reduced, get it a little bit more on the thicker side. Some people tend to use some cornstarch or flour, and then it goes down. So either one, we're going to try tonight and then see if we will get the sauce a little thicker. So here we add the mayonnaise to it. And what we want to do is just toss it around with the mayonnaise. Of course, it's going to be a little bit hot still. Don't worry, a lot of times when you do this, you want to make sure that you don't have your potatoes on too long because you don't want mashed potato, you want potato salad, which is so much different. And if you want to be able to mash it, then you have it on the stove a little longer than that. But that's not what we're doing today. What we're actually doing is doing the potato salad. Very simple. You have your potatoes, add whole potatoes. You can always use red potatoes, but red potatoes, to me, when I use red potatoes, I like to use it if I'm doing breakfast potatoes versus the Idaho potatoes. Now, if you want to use a red potato, that's good, but I am not suggesting using red potatoes for this because they tend to be very small. The Idaho tends to be very larger in size. See, this is the Idaho already peeled, and it's not actually cooked as in. This is how we have the potato salad here looking. And then we're just going to have it refrigerate. I would say anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. The longer, the better. Because you don't want to go ahead and eat it now when you have the mayonnaise come from the fridge and it's already hot. You want hot potato salad. Over here we have the steak. So you see the sauce looking nice and brown. And we also did add the browning to give it a nice color. This is one of it right here, the browning sauce. Of course, another thing that helped too was all the combination of Worcestershire sauce and the barbecue sauce. Okay, till next time, this is Miss Stella from Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.